Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can manage the eco turning off display in the dryer. So, if you want to manage the function of the economic mode of your display, you have to open doors of your appliance, click on the start and close the door in the same time. You have to hold the button until you see it's fully light up. Now we are in the settings mode. To open the eco display mode, we have to open the P11. Then click on start and defaultly you shall see the 01, so it's turned on and your display after the 10 minutes will be dimmed off. If you want to switch it off, you have to go to the 00. If you want to switch it on, you have to go to the 01 and click on the start to configure a choice. Now just turn off and on the device again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.